Alright, you can tell I'm building a trail rig, and there's no reason for me to leave this glass in my personal preference. I know some people need it, some people don't. You may be using this video to change it, you may be using this video to get the glass out. Super simple. Handful of screwdrivers, flatheads. If you can get one that's not sharp on the edges, that helps out. But I've actually don't think I've ever done a 2-door. The 4-door is like super easy. I think the 2-door may be just a fuzz harder. But this is what I was doing. I'm in the shop. Sorry about the rain. Oh, and you need, like, this is degreaser. For some reason degreaser seems to be slicker on rubber. Or if you got anything that's just slick, will help you out. And like I said, sorry about the rain. It's just what I was doing. I don't have no floor, so I'm gonna be standing on the actual ground. But normally, yeah, you know what's going on here. All right, get off in here. I'm actually taking the glass out because the lip is actually breaking the frame. This is a rust bucket. Oh, should be good there. Now, I think I usually start at this corner right here. Just take your soap, whatever you're using, and peel this seal back right here. And I start at the top because it's going to try to run down. Just squirt all that in there. If you can get about half of it started, that's it. And this works the same for the back hatch up until the 97 body style. So if you got to change a window, it's not that bad. And that's what sucks. I'm not going back in. Maybe one day I will, but I don't know. We'll see. So right now, I think we want to start with, it'll be a combination of both these right here. Just start there. Corner is going to be the hardest part. Just don't get in a hurry and break your glass. See how it's already starting to fall out on me right there? That's there. Might need 1 or 2 more screwdrivers, to be honest. When you get it started, trying to get it all the way through. Yeah, that's not scratching anything that would be scratching your nice Jeep. So we just want to start. Basically just sticks off in here. Just keep wiggling this seal here.
There's about 3 different styles.
Just don't get in a hurry.
This one's kind of tapered down. I don't know if Texas got another one laying around, but long story short, yeah, those are, I think, the WJ style.
If you had a friend, this would probably be a little bit easier.
Taper down, whereas
now,
the Cherokees, you'll see them here in a minute, they're the same.
See if we can get this to go through. Start gliding it. That's why I say if you get one that's not sharp, it's slick. That may be contacting the body on the outside, so if yours is nice, you might want to check that. You can see I'm just gliding down.
Keep up with where those caps come from, put them back on the same rock.
Let that flop out.
One guy will know he just threw all the back and the bottom.
4 doors, much easier.
You
can hear it, it's trying to let go. I'm going to leave y'all there just so you know exactly what's going on. Start pulling.
And the person, I don't even care to put them on backwards, just make sure they go back in the same way.
I think now you'll want to start picking up across the bottom right here. Now that you got the top out, you hear that seal breaking loose. Yep. Again, 4-door, much easier. Now I've got my hand on the screwdriver. I'm actually just going to push it like this right here, kind of break the seal. And this is dry. I need to lubricate it.
It does fall out. Probably going to be problems.
Now just applying pressure. It's so close. So close. You get that little dip right there. We're good on set. If you didn't care, you could probably cut it. But I'm trying to help y'all out. We got that out. It should be smooth sailing now. Some sleek will help that out. See how I'm doing screwdriver? No, it's not hitting nothing on your body if you're worried about a nice one.
Somebody's screaming about scratching the cylinders. See now,
So close. Two-door is a lot harder. I can't reach.
So now take this and let it orientation where it was. And some seats.
Maybe that's got enough. That's got over half of it.
This is Texas experience. Really scared you're out experience.
Okay. Now, just gonna slide it down.
It's out.
And that's it. This will be just shoved in there. I got to think, I was like, I'm just gonna show y'all this one from the outside. This one seemed to be going better. I went ahead and carried soap all the way down and then soap across, well, I didn't do it on the bottom, so see if we can make it a little easier. Y'all know what it looks like from out in there, so now we're gonna do the same thing. I think I remember now. It's been a while since I've done it. Do that.
Newcomer.
Start doing like that.
On the same page. You know, he built more excited stuff now than but just his mentality and the internet's wrong and don't overthink this and that. See, you're
Push out on the top.
Knows exactly what to do. I think he understands that at the end of the day, these are 19, we'll call it like 1940s technology. I mean, that's what's so funny. People brag on top straight seats. And to be honest, I think the four others probably the worst straight seats ever built. They really.
Yeah, that's going pretty much smoother there.
They're no pistons, no primers.
I'm gonna see if I can get the bottom.
Kick out. Flat jackets, that's what I was telling Dexter this. I said, how you explain it?
Yeah.
I'm not forward, but I'm
The seal popped off the glass on that, but I don't really care. I just want the glass out. Yeah, and there it is. Thank you. Have a good day. So that's taking it out. Going back in is the exact same process. It's just a little more, about like putting a tire on the screwdriver. I would lube everything up with soap and then start on the bottom corner, and then I would shove it forward, and then I would get this little thing in there. Just start working your way. Probably hook your bottom and then try to put your top in. And I mean, that's literally all you got to do. That's what I always tell people. If you ever lock your keys in a Cherokee and you've got access to a window, it's probably, be honest, let's just say it's a 20-minute job. So definitely that's what I do. Again, something I was doing. If y'all got any ideas, know what to do. Appreciate it. Have a good day.